Welcome to this channel. This is gonna blow your mind. Did you know your dye bowl could ruin your hair? Let's fix that. So picture this. You're mixing your hair dye in a metal bowl. Sounds harmless, right? But guess what? Metal can actually react with your dye chemicals, especially the developer. This can mess up your color, giving you unexpected results. And nobody wants their hair looking funky or damaged. Instead, always use a non-metallic bowl. Think plastic, glass, ceramic or silicone, etc. These won't interfere with your dye, ensuring you get the vibrant, even color you're after. Here's the simple rule. Always go for a non-metallic bowl. Think plastic, glass, and as said a moment ago, unless your hair color or treatment specifically tells you otherwise. Metal can sometimes react with the chemicals in your dye, potentially messing with the color results. So to be safe and get the color you want, non-metallic is usually the way to go. Now, you might hear about using an iron bowl for some specific herbal treatments like certain types of henna aiming for darker shades. If your product specifically instructs you to use an iron bowl, then follow those directions. Don't have one handy? Check out the description below for some of our top picks in both non-metallic as well as an iron, metallic bowl. So, for happy, healthy, and perfectly colored hair, remember non-metallic bowl only. Happy coloring! Like and share the video with your family and friends whom you care for. Make your comments and subscribe to the channel. Thank you, and stay blessed.